Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to reset the Mail app on your Windows 10 device. So if for some reason your app doesn't seem to be opening or responding correctly, this tutorial will be for you. So this tutorial should not actually delete any content of your inbox. This is purely resetting the application. So without further ado, let's jump right into it, and we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time, and you want to type in Apps and Features. Best match should come back with Apps and Features right above System Settings. You just want to left click on that one time to open up the settings window here, and we're going to be working over in the Apps and Features section on the right side of this window. Now you want to go down until you get to Mail and Calendar right here. You want to left click on that. Now you want to left click on Advanced Options. Scroll down until you get to the Reset section. If this app isn't working right, reset it. This app will be reinstalled and revert to its default settings. Your documents will not be affected. Left click on Reset here. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preference and sign-in details. Left click on Reset to commence this process. It will take some time, so please be patient. Honestly, it probably shouldn't take more than 15 or 20 seconds, but still you should be patient before clicking on Reset again. And you have this little check mark to indicate it has reset successfully. So at this point you should be able to close out of this settings window, try and open up the app again, and hopefully the issue you were having before has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thanks for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.